geez. Oh, and now we're stopped. Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's Jay with 4 Guys Talking Cars. There's my Tesla in the background, but I want to talk today about this 2012 Jeep with a ton of cool aftermarket upgrades, including a 392 Mopar engine. So this thing sounds nice. All right, roll that intro.
I can see my name in lights, spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I can see my name in lights, ball till I fall and I'm feeling alright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay, we're gonna do a cold start, Cody. Let's hear this 392 Mopar engine, aftermarket put in. Oh, I love that. That sounds great, man. That's awesome.
So this is the 392 Crate HEMI engine in here, and then I have the Holley Sniper aluminum air intake on there, and then all this tubing is custom with the Jeep shop.
That's custom, so they built this to fit in here. I was wondering about that.
And then the cold air goes down,
okay,
just to try and maximize the cold air that comes in there. I think most of these that have it, the cold air comes back this way. But the air back there is actually pretty hot.
I think that's how the Chargers do it, right? Chargers and Challengers, it comes off on that side?
Theirs are usually short and like end here.
Okay.
And so some people do that too, just how they wear short and tight.
And then this is all customized here, right? Obviously he built
these
that
are all
out
custom, yeah.
to fit this.
And
so what did it come standard stock? What was in here?
It
the
came
engine
with the 3.6 liter.
Oh, the
V6.
3.6 V6. So still
Yeah,
good, a good amount of
V6.
Yeah.
It's a good engine. It's 275 horsepower.
Okay,
stock.
so still good.
And you can tune it up to somewhere around 300 or 310.
Okay.
Pretty easily. But it's not 525.
And that's what you're getting is 520. That's awesome.
So 525 makes it. So we have, this is the Voswitch
Okay.
switch panel. So it has 8 switches. The ground I run to the body ground over here.
Okay, nice. And then what is run through here?
This has my roof LED light bar.
Okay.
Which has 2 lights in it, 2 switches.
Okay.
And then all these are disconnected so far. I don't have anything. And this is just my front locker.
Gotcha. So that's space to be able to do whatever you want with it.
Yeah, I have a ton of other things I can add on there and do. So
talk about a labor of love, man. Oh yeah, go for it on the roof rack.
Yeah, that's the Gobi stealth rack.
Gobi stealth, and so you can come up either side almost ladder-like.
Yeah, so it's got 2 ladders, and it's very low profile. Yeah, there's a wire cage on top.
Okay.
And then I don't have them on right now, but it actually has ratchet straps that grab on here. And so you can leave those on all the time and they retract.
Okay.
And it makes it really easy to tie stuff on top.
And then what are these aftermarket bars? What are these brands?
These are Rough Country.
Rough Country, yeah.
Grab handles.
Okay. You did, right now it's got 37-inch tires on here. Cody said he's gonna go to 40s. That will look beefy. These look real nice, real aggressive. I do think 40s will clear on that too, so that'll be a nice upgrade. Okay, so these brakes, these G2 brakes, well, oh, and now we're stopped. Okay, so those are the G2 brakes. Cody, take it away. Tell me about those.
Yeah, oversized brake calipers with the performance pads. They're made for 37-inch tires, are bigger.
Okay, gotcha. So, will it handle the 40s when you go to those?
Yeah, you can do 40s.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. As far as I know, they're the biggest brakes out there that you can get that will fit the rotor size on this.
Wow. Okay. Well, hey, I just experienced that. Those are no joke brakes. Those are legit.
Yeah,
wow.
Definitely helpful.
I am impressed, man. And a little scared. So these are the brights. Wow.
Yeah, we got the brights on.
Okay, so those are the overhead.
These are just my headlights. I actually have my bumper off-road lights on too.
Okay, gotcha.
spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.